LIBOR exchange platform officially issues the token LIBFX to mobilize the support from the community serving to expand the market for LIBOR exchange platform as well as the use of LIBFX as a main payment method of the LIBOR. In this video, I am going to tell you each and everything about the LIBOR Forex platform and also about the LIBFX token. And especially at the end of the video, I will give you my own price prediction about the LIBFX token.
Feel uninvited.
Here I come.
The LIBFX ecosystem was born to handle the problems of online forex trading industry with a set of protocols that provide a decentralized, low-cost, transparent and secure trading forex experience. Now the LIBFX transaction has never been so quick and easy with any amount, anytime and anywhere. At this time, LIBOR Forex and also LIBFX is offering you some best things and some best features like fast transactions, saving transactions, secure transaction, and the best technology at this time LIBFX is using, that is the blockchain. Blockchain will enable you to have amazing and safe experience on all the platform of LIBOR Forex. LIBOR Limited works in financial trading area and it is also a registered firm in Belize. It is registered under the banner of Belize Securities and Exchange Commission in Belize. The advanced trading system of LIBOR Forex is a safe management system that has been built for years. The system automatically analyzes the abnormal trade to quickly issue automatic and semi-automatic process which supports a flawless system operation and issue the warnings about the system safety, providing more assistance to be initiative in problem dealing. So here you can see right now the LIBFX token is available on the CREX24 exchange and also you can see the number of bids are available on this exchange. And secondly, this token LIBFX is available on the CoinGecko.com. So you can check the entire data of the LIBFX token. Now the best part about the technology provides the assistance in archiving the whole trading data of million users. All trading history is archived entirely in full transparency. The system also archives the price graph and marketing events of different scales. Indicators are archived entirely and analyzed by AI system to logically and scientifically produce daily, weekly, monthly and yearly statistics. Those statistics are valuable sources of the reference for the customers to look at before deciding to order new stock. And especially for the hackers are not able to attack and make any change to the trading and statistics as the data is archived up in an isolated blockchain network. Hence, the customers are entirely reassured that there is transparency and integrity in system datasets. Now something best about the LIBFX token is this, that it will be used as a payment method in the trading floor and people charging by the token on the trading floor will enjoy some special promotion programs and LIBFX owners have exclusive rights to purchase the LIBOR Limited stock as it is listed on the stock exchange floor. And LIBFX is introduced with view to be integrated into future digital stock systems. So these are the best things about the LIBOR Forex and LIBFX. Here you can see the Telegram group and Telegram channel, so you can directly message the admin and the team is there for you 24/7. Now the best part, if you want to trade on the LIBOR Forex and if you want to invest something on the LIBOR Forex, simply you have to register an account on the LIBOR Forex. It's entirely very easy and after signing up your account you have the chance to invest your LIBFX tokens and you can get some good profit every month. So here you will get the deposit address of BTC, Ethereum, USDT and even the LIBFX. So if you are going to deposit your LIBFX token directly over here on the main platform, then definitely you will get some good LIBFX profit every month. And even you can deposit your Ethereum and you can buy the packages directly from the Libor Forex main platform. Now, all the friends, it's the time to make the own price prediction of LIBFX token. As per my own price prediction, because very soon the team is going to take the LIBFX token in farming, so definitely the price will increase. And here you can see the whole supply is not as much, so definitely as per my own price prediction about the LIBFX, it will go to moon and probably about at the price of $1,000 or even $1,200 in maximum next 2 months. So it's your time to grab the opportunity and you can buy this token directly from the Crex24 at this time. Thanks a lot.